Every year, thousands of legendary Japanese engines fail early for one specific reason that leaves their owners completely blindsided. It is not because of aggressive driving, cheap aftermarket parts, or outright neglect. It's actually because they are blindly trusting a piece of outdated maintenance advice, the universal 5,000-mile oil change. Modern Japanese engines from brands like Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru are engineered completely differently than they were 20 years ago. They use thin oils like 0W16 and 0W20, tight tolerances, and low-tension piston rings. When you blindly rely on a fixed mileage number without looking at how those systems operate, you leave your engine vulnerable to invisible killers. In this video, we uncovering the 8 biggest oil change myths destroying modern Japanese engines, why a 5,000-mile schedule can actually mask catastrophic damage, and what you need to do instead to ensure your car actually hits that 300,000-mile mark. Let's dive in. Myth number 8. Oil is oil. One of the most expensive mistakes modern Japanese car owners make is believing that all motor oils are basically the same. At first glance, every bottle may look similar, but what's inside can be dramatically different. Modern engines use advanced systems such as variable valve timing, turbochargers, direct injection, and ultra-tight internal tolerances. These systems depend on specialized additive packages that help prevent wear, reduce friction, clean deposits, and protect engine components under extreme temperatures. Cheap oils often contain lower-quality additives that break down faster under stress. When additives fail, sludge begins forming inside oil passages that reduces lubrication where it is needed most. Over time, this can cause VVT actuators to stick, timing systems to malfunction, and bearings to wear prematurely. Many laboratory tests have shown that premium synthetic oils maintain viscosity and wear protection significantly longer than bargain oils. Saving $5 or $10 during an oil change may eventually result in a repair bill worth thousands. Therefore, always use oil that meets the exact specifications listed in your owner's manual. Look for API-SP and ILS-ACGF6 certifications. Myth number 7. Change oil every 5,000 miles. This is probably the most widespread oil myth on the planet. Walk into almost any repair shop and you will hear someone say, "Just change your oil every 5,000 miles and you will be fine." While that advice was excellent 20 years ago, but modern Japanese engines have changed dramatically. Many newer Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Nissan vehicles now use advanced synthetic oils specifically engineered to maintain viscosity, lubrication, and contamination control for much longer intervals. The real problem is that many owners blindly follow the 5,000-mile rule without considering their driving conditions. If you mostly drive on highways with long engine warm-up periods, changing synthetic oil every 5,000 miles may simply waste money. On the other hand, if you drive a turbocharged Honda 1.5T, a direct-injected Mazda Skyactiv engine, or frequently make short trips in heavy traffic, even 5,000 miles might actually be too long. Modern oil life depends on fuel dilution, engine load, operating temperature, idle time, and driving style, not just mileage. Following a universal number instead of your vehicle's actual operating conditions can either waste hundreds of dollars in unnecessary oil changes or allow excessive contamination to build up inside the engine. The truth is simple. The correct oil change interval depends on your specific engine and how it is driven, rather than a magic number repeated by everyone else. Myth number 6. Dark oil means the oil has failed. Many drivers pull out the dipstick, see dark-colored oil, and immediately panic. They assume black oil means the lubricant is worn out and damaging the engine. In reality, dark oil is often proof that the oil is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Modern engine oils contain detergents and dispersants specifically formulated to capture soot, combustion byproducts, and contaminants before they can stick to internal engine surfaces. In fact, If your oil stays completely clear for 5,000 miles, it might mean the detergent package is failing to scrub the engine clean. Japanese engines with direct injection systems often darken oil much faster than older port-injected engines because of the way combustion occurs. Color alone tells you almost nothing about oil condition. Professional oil laboratories evaluate viscosity retention, oxidation levels, fuel dilution, wear metals, and additive depletion, not color. Judging oil quality solely by its color leads many owners to spend money unnecessarily while ignoring the factors that truly determine oil health. Myth number 3. Adding oil is the same as changing oil. This myth destroys more engines than many people realize. When drivers notice low oil levels, they simply add fresh oil and assume everything is fine. While topping off oil is important, but it does not remove the contaminants already present in the crankcase. Metal particles, combustion deposits, moisture, and acids remain trapped inside the engine. Adding new oil merely dilutes the contamination slightly. Imagine pouring clean water into a dirty fish tank without removing the dirty water already inside. The overall condition improves slightly, but the contamination remains. Over time, contaminants continue accumulating until they overwhelm the oil's protective capabilities. This is particularly harmful for turbocharged Japanese engines, where clean oil is absolutely critical for bearing survival. Myth number 2. Engine oil additives. The shelves of auto parts stores are packed with miracle additives promising reduced wear, restored compression, quieter operation, and increased horsepower. The reality is that high-quality engine oils already contain carefully balanced additive packages developed by teams of chemists and engineers. But adding aftermarket chemicals can sometimes disrupt those carefully engineered formulations. Some additives alter viscosity, affect detergent performance, or interfere with anti-wear chemistry. Japanese manufacturers spend millions validating oil formulations for their engines. In most cases, using the correct manufacturer-approved oil provides far better protection than relying on aftermarket additives promising miraculous results. Myth number 1. The oil filter doesn't matter. Some vehicle owners spend money on premium synthetic oil but buy the cheapest oil filter available. This is like installing a high-end home water system and then using a low-quality filter. Oil filters capture microscopic metal particles, carbon deposits, and engine contaminants before they circulate through critical components. Cheap filters often have lower filtration efficiency and weaker construction. Under high pressure, some low-quality filters may enter bypass mode more frequently, which may allow contaminants to circulate through the engine. Over tens of thousands of miles, these tiny particles act like liquid sandpaper, slowly wearing down bearings, camshafts, and timing components. Modern Japanese engines rely heavily on clean oil for proper operation. A poor quality filter can undermine the benefits of even the best motor oil. Therefore, always choose OEM filters or high-quality aftermarket filters from trusted manufacturers whenever you perform an oil change.